Now those are the lock screen video wallpapers from an application called Highlights from Samsung. Yes, this is a brand new application from Samsung called Samsung Highlights, which offers video wallpapers for your lock screen. And I'm sure you are going to love this application. Now, this application is not officially available on the Galaxy Store. I'm going to tell you how exactly you can install this application by the end of this video, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to know your phone better. Now, this application is something similar to the global goals wallpaper option that we have on the lock screen. When you go to the change wallpaper settings, all the way down you will see the options wallpaper services. Here we've got something called Samsung Global Goals. Now this brand new application Samsung Highlights is something similar to this particular application, which provides the live video feeds on your lock screen with loads of information and entertainment. Now we all watch a lot of short format videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, etc., which are more of entertainment and educational videos. Now this application is going to do the same thing, but not just inside the application. We are going to have these videos right on your lock screen. Sounds fantastic, isn't it? Now, as soon as you tap on the application, tap on Get Started, agree to the terms and conditions, then you will get this pop-up which is going to throw some categories. It says select which categories you would like to see on your lock screen. Choose at least 3 of them. Now I have selected all 6 of them and just tap on Next. Next, you will get a prompt to enable this particular feature on your lock screen. It will take you to the settings. Just enable the toggle for this Highlights application and we are good to go. Every time you lock and unlock your screen, you will get to see a different video wallpaper which is related to the category you have selected. When you tap on the side key to wake up your lock screen, it is not going to play the sound. You will only be able to see the video. You get to see this small slider option here right at the bottom left. When you slide to the right, the video will start playing the sound as well. Now if you want more videos, you can just scroll upwards or downwards to see more video wallpapers. These video wallpapers are pretty good. They're from all across the globe, from different regions. There are wallpapers related to animals and nature, art, home, entertainment, food and drinks, news, etc. Now this application does not only provide the video wallpapers on the lock screen. If you want to get inside the application or open the application and check out these short feeds, you will be able to do that. Just open the Highlights application. You will see all those videos which are made for you depending on the categories you have selected. And we also have this option here, categories. Just tap on that. You will see this drop down menu where you can select the category and start playing those videos. And if you want to share it, you can just tap on the share button. You will be able to share this particular video wallpaper to someone else right from the sharing page. And when you tap on the settings, you will get this toggle right on the top, show on lock screen. And then we have got lock screen categories. Then we have option download videos on Wi-Fi only. If you want to enable this toggle, you can do that. Then we have got few other options here. Now it's a very simple application which you can install on your Galaxy phone. As I mentioned, this is currently not available on the Galaxy Store. But it seems that this is an official application which is apparently on beta right now. And thanks to whoever has posted the APK on the APK mirror, you will be able to download the APK from the website. I will leave a link for that in the description. Go ahead, download the application and enjoy these brand new video wallpapers, some informational and entertainment wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And also let me know, what do you think about this application? Is it really needed? Are you going to use it? Drop a comment, and when you do that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this informational. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Should we start here? Because this one I'm really excited to try. Did you know that you don't actually need to boil the water to make simple syrup? For this one,
you can use a pinch. What is the incredible coincidence about Ronaldo, Messi?